Hello everybody, welcome to my next little creation. This is a commission and it is of a little bunny rabbit, and that is what my customer actually said when they emailed, can you engrave a little bunny rabbit on a wine glass? So I have got this little photograph. They sent several photographs, and when somebody wants a picture of their pet, I always ask for a very, very clear photograph that is taken basically on the same level as the head, like you would a portrait of anybody, and that is the best. But sometimes photographs are not necessarily available, especially if it is a surprise present for somebody of their animal and they can't go and get a photograph. So I do the best I can with what I am given. Anyway, here is one of the photographs I chose out of several, a lot of very foreshortened shots, which, phew, there was somebody at the door, such a dash down. Pictures of pets need to be very high quality. I need to see, preferably, the eyelashes, the hair. I need to know which direction it's going in. So if someone sends me a photograph of their pet sitting on the couch over there, and it's taken with a mobile phone and it's not a good enough picture, it's very difficult. Okay, I know basically that animal's hair grows a certain way, but I don't know that it goes with absolutely every kind of animal, so I really need to see preferably the hair. Otherwise I've got to end up going online and looking up that animal and making sure I get all these other little details correct. But also, people who think that a really cute photograph of their animal looking up at them from the ground when they're sitting on the couch, and all you get is this big snout and everything else foreshortened. And while that looks like a cute photograph in your album, it is not a cute photograph on a glass, as far as I'm concerned. So, out of the selection of photographs I got from this lady, this I thought was rather cute. It's not bad. It's pretty level, eye level, and I can sort of see the hair. If I put it into, well, I did put it into Photoshop and made sure that I enhanced it as much as I could. Where an area is very, very dark, there may still be some detail that I can pick up. So I lighten the shadows a little bit, I sharpen it a bit, generally I improve the picture as much as I can so I can see as many details as I can. And even though I'm creating a picture that's only this size, I mean it's only sort of 5 or 6 centimeters square, probably not even, actually 5 maybe. So that is what I have to go through, and that's what I really need from my customers. Right, so I've done another little printout and I've already put it behind the glass, and I think this is an art teacher of mine told me there's no such thing as cheating in art. And for me, if I'm doing a portrait of an animal, I need it to be accurate. So I'm not going to try and be clever and sit here and draw it from a picture over there. You know, no. I am going to put it behind the glass. We've got a transparent medium. Put it behind the glass and I'm going to trace it. At least trace the main details. The position of the eyes, the ears, the nose, everything that really is important. And then I will be taking the picture away so that I can colour it in and shade it appropriately. And I have stuck it on with blue tack. Can you see? Blue tack. It's actually white tack. We used to call it sticky stuff in Africa. So anyway, that's what I've stuck it on, and it is now placed in my little holder. I've got the drip feed system going, dripping water down nicely, and we will start putting in the basic details. Now, because it's that wine glass that I did just previously, actually, There are no flaws in the glass, so I don't really need to check it. I know the glass well, and I know that it is not as, it's not really thick, so I would prefer not to go too deep, and still get all the effects I want with basic surface engraving, with a little bit of depth here and there, but really not that much, and we'll get everything we need on the surface. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with it.